girl dey drive a boyfriend comot for house, she come dey video the boy, you know. Hello, it's a one and only Lady J. If you have not subscribed, what are you waiting for? Better people go and subscribe and hit the notification bell so that if I put more video, you will be the first to be notified. If you have subscribed here before, thank you, God bless you. Today's topic, my darling people, now about one girl. This girl they drive a boyfriend come up for house, she come dey video the boy. You know why I want to do this topic? We say some girls so it did their body, you know. I said to mu auto and not tie, you understand? So you know what this girl come they do this our brother for her mind that she be say she dey disgrace the boy, at the same time you dey disgrace yourself. You understand? When I know what I make me with that parable when I make just now say I said to mu auto and not tie. As you can know, say you know go fit put this boy for your house again. My dear, my darling, you for no first start time. You for no first start time. Okay, you don't start time with this boy. This boy they stay with you for house. Because this one are advice to our men where people say they stay with you men for house, eh? Because what did this girl do? More than learn from his side. You know, this girl video the boy. A video ram. A video this our brother and our brother will still call him. A video ram, they say make the boy come up for a house. She don't want again, you know, she don't want date the boy again. Yeah, what do you do the boy? Now very bad thing for you to video the boy. But they say they still relationship, they don't want to get, but they go in your separate way. Than way you can go the video the boy. You don't do that one well, my sister. Really? The truth, not say me will not talk. You not do that one well. You for not video the boy. I know, as in sometimes. The way some girls say they react, me I don't understand. This social media will come so this social media, as in anything we just happen on social media. Okay, we not feel able resolve that issue by on ourselves again. Then when you can go the video ram, what do you do that boy? Not good. You not good, my sister. Really, eh? The truth, not even will not talk and me. What do you do? If they do to your own sister, you go like him. That's why you do this guy, no good. The video ram, they tell the boy say. The boy must come up for your house today. The boy say they say you know go come out. My dear, you not do away, eh? Really, eh? The truth have to be said, my dear. You not do away. You're not supposed to video that boy. You're not supposed. That's what you do, eh? As in, he passed Joromi, my sister. You feel say you dey disgrace him. Who not get today go get tomorrow, my sister. Who not get today go get tomorrow. I believe say na poverty make this boy come stay with you. And if you not allow the boy for not come stay with you. But for you to come the video and come give and this public disgrace, my sister, you not do well. Who advise you wrongly, really. They advise you wrongly. I know say some boys so did their body. I know say some guys they not the one work, but for you to video this boy, my dear darling, you not do this one way. At all. You not do this one way. You not do away at all. What go make you video the boy? What go make you video ram? Who advise you make you even do that kind of thing? Who advise you? How you go video ram? So they not they see normal talk again. They not they see normal quarrel again. Everything on social media. Must you bring it out on social media? Must you? Who advise you make you do that kind of thing, my sister? You not do away. What go make you video boy come they show am? Like seriously? As they okay, wait till they come give you as you come bring the video come out now. You don't say you don't go see girl, we go carry that boy. You go the boy you go to see girlfriend, my dear. You even make the boy popular now. You go to see girlfriend, really. So this one a lesson to our guys. Go and work. You people don't want to work. Go and work. Must you wait for a woman to give you money? Must you wait? Can't you work? You have two hands to work. Go and work. No allow women to deceive you again. Say more stay house. More not allow women to deceive you again. You can work with your two hands without you waiting for a woman. If now you they take care of that girl, now you get that house. You see that girl go try that thing when they try to use today. You don't go try her, my brother. You don't go try her because he look you like a lazy guy. That was why he do what he do. He look you like a lazy guy. Go and walk. If they tell you now, you go they from now, you go pass this year, you go pass the other one. Come out. Go and walk. You don't want to walk. I believe if they walk, this girl will not do that to you. Just see the public disgrace when they give you now. Just see what he did to you now, my brother. See what he do to you. If they tell you someone that they walk, una this is a bad thing. Go and walk. Don't wait for a woman. Don't wait for them. Don't wait for any woman. You can walk with your two hands. Don't allow any woman to deceive you again, my brother. I feel pity for you when I see that video. If your family see this video now, they'll be disappointed. Let me put the video, my darling people. More than a year, Tori. More than a year, what this boy do, and what did this girl do? Eh? Isn't that true? They rent the house.
Now you are going to rent the house.
Okay.
Since when you don't rent this house, you don't give me house rent. You they pay for house rent. You
But
don't
yeah.
pay for house rent for this house. Since
They
when you
never
don't rent
pay.
this house, your money goes inside this house.
Yeah.
What do you mean you give money?
He said never pay since when they take rent this house. He said na only she then they pay for the house. Now what should they tell the boy? He said na only she now they pay for the house. Now they see how my darling people. So more than listening.
Okay, call the police now. Call the police. You go come up from my house. Where that people like
He said go call police. The boy they say that they rent the house together. They get say not be two of
Who you
them.
give money?
Okay.
Who you give money last month? Okay. Okay. You go come up from my house. I don't tell you. I don't tire for you. You go come
They
up.
don't tire. She not be carrying liability
That's so
again.
worry people see be. That's so worry people see be. All of us na better. You go come up from
Better,
my house.
better,
Let them
like
like
they
it on us. Yes. Yes, I will video you. I go video you. Okay, you like I go
You
see.
see,
I go see the problem.
Okay. Massive pause here. He said now two of them rent the house together, but the girl say no, now only she they pay. Say she not fit carry your responsibility again, my brother. Go and walk. You have two hands. Your hand not they pay you. You not get weak look for hand. You not fit walk. See woman they give you disgrace. They tell you say make you go walk. You see they tell us say na 12 and they rent the house together. Are you kidding me right now? Are you serious? Go and walk. More than listening, my darling people.
Police. Now you want to call police for yourself.
Okay.
You come up from my
The
house.
boy say one call police.
Call police.
I don't understand no for what.
What are you gonna wait for?
You will give me my balance.
Which balance?
He say go give am a balance for the house.
Which balance? Okay. Okay. Okay.
You go balance. You give me my
You
balance.
go come out. You go come out. I don't owe you any balance. I don't owe you any
You
balance.
owe me balance.
Yes.
I'll call police now.
Okay, call police. Are
The
you
boy
police?
say one call
What
police.
concern me? Concern you.
Police go hold me. Police go hold me.
You come out from my house.
That's what I because police
Okay.
dey
Now
drive
you
it
go
because
Nigeria. Now you.
na
Are you not fine? Are you
the
the
girl get
do
house.
Are you not
Which
fine? Are you the
document dey
do
the house?
Are you not fine? Are you the do shetro?
Are you fair, pass?
He say na him not fine o. He say na him not fine, na him dey do shentro. So you see they even do shentro join am, my brother. Go and walk. See public disgrace wey this girl give you. He say na you not fine, na you dey do shentro. So na only who fine na dey do shentro now. Hey hey.
Shetro.
I'm going to punish you.
Now go go punish you too.
Man, dey listen.
Shy B. Come up from my house. You must come up from my house. Yes, now so boys, now so you they fool yourself for Europe. Are you they fool yourself? Some boys they go walk home. He said too big to go walk.
He say too big to go walk.
No,
It's too big to do
go
shoro.
eat, go sleep.
When your mates they go dey do shoro.
Carry your bag. Carry your bag. Okay, carry your bag, make they go. Carry your bag. Carry your bag, make come
Una
up.
dey hear.
I go post am.
One first thing
You
be
go
this
see am,
that
go
time.
polish you. Go post this video. I will post this video. You'll see am. Yes. They now you see who they talk. See who they talk. Oh. You see am. No, come on for this house today. Who you they call? Who you they call? Oh, yeah.
He say one call police.
Okay. Okay.
He say oh you go give am him money.
Okay.
Give me my money for inside.
What did this house? What you buy?
My
What
money.
did this house?
Give me
What did this
1,000
house? What did you buy?
Give me 1,000 euro. I'll come out.
Okay.
He said they give her
1,000
1,000 euro, saying go
Who
come
owe you
out.
1,000 euro?
Ciao.
Man, I see am o. Now you dey call police
Only
for
in
yourself.
Thailand,
They
let
go
those
say,
kind of things go.
woman, go to go.
So like the one not vessel. You understand? And they say child.
Man, I see am.
But the boy was still they call police. You know they
Man, I see
shame.
am. You don't even sabi speak Italian. They'll go kill you too.
You see they call police, my darling people. You dey see the boy, you see they call police. How you could even see they call police? And the guys say you come out, you don't go come out, my brother. You don't go come out. If you don't want to give you your own balance, come out. Leave everything for God. Leave everything for God, make you come out. You see the evil they read, they call police. I'm not listening, my darling. They are got the lie.
Man, I dey hear o. Italy no sabi speak. You sabi speak Italy. Why you not go find work? They'll go kill you. Italy no sabi speak. Nothing. Man, I see Italy where they speak o. See, man, I dey hear Italy where they speak. You don't even sabi anything.
No. J'ai problème avec Yaka.
I'm gonna say now you be the problem. Now you be the problem. They go carry you. You don't even sabi speak Italy. Your mates they go school, you don't go. Work, you don't go find. Hey, ugly boy where they do centro.
It's the ugly boy where they do control.
So I go give you 1,000 euro before you will leave my life. Carry your bag, no, you carry your bag. Come slap me.
So my people, I said today matter, I say wish. So wanna help me give advice to this our brother. Whether waiting this girl do or you do well or you not doing well, you can leave your comments for the comment section, my darling people. So always put thumbs up for me and Shentro boys go and walk. Shentro boy go and walk. See this disgrace now, so that made this public disgrace may not come to you. So thank you everybody. Take care until I come your way next time again. I remember your friend, your sister, your everything, your one and only Lady J. Bye everybody. Bye.